Now we are going to learn how to add notes to the drawing you see on the screen. Most people in the engineering field would consider notes to be more than just text notes. In fact, if you look at the SOLIDWORKS ribbon, many people would say text notes, along with finish symbols, weld symbols, hole callouts, and geometric dimensioning and tolerancing symbols are all part of notes. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to add text notes, along with a feature control frame and a datum feature symbol. And I am confident if you can add those, you would have no problem working through a datum target symbol, surface finish symbols, weld symbols, and hole callouts. So let's begin. I am going to select Note, and the Property Manager opens. At the top of the Property Manager, I have Style. Now, style is nothing more than saving your settings that you adjust or modify lower in the Property Manager. Notice you can add or update an existing style. You can delete a style, save a style, and load a style. Let's move down the Property Manager. Notice under the text format, you have different options for justifying the text. You can also apply a hyperlink to the text. You can add symbols, and just like an earlier lesson, we have access to many different symbols. Right below this in the Property Manager, we have several options for leaders. Right now it defaults to Auto Leader, Leader Nearest, Bent Leader, and Attach Leader Nearest. You can also change the type of arrowhead. So a lot of options there. In fact, if I go out to the screen and zoom in on this top view, I can select the edge. The leader attaches to the edge, and now I select the location for the text. And notice I can begin typing. This is the Note command. Now if I am done placing notes on the drawing, I can simply click the green check mark. However, if I want to add more notes, instead of selecting the green check mark, just click anywhere on the drawing sheet. It takes you out of this note command and places you in another note command. Okay, now I am going to add a smart dimension to this upper right hole. I'll zoom up on that dimension, and I am going to add a limit tolerance with an upper limit of 0.5 and a lower limit of 0.5. I'll change the precision to one place, and let's add a prefix, since we have 4 of these holes, of 4 times. So I just added a smart dimension. I'm going to select that dimension, and then select Geometric Tolerance. This will open up the dialog box for the feature control frame. Let's say, for example, I want to control the position of those 4 features with a position characteristic, and we want to control the position of those 4 features with a cylindrical tolerance zone of 0.1 at MMC. I want my primary datum to be datum A, my secondary datum to be datum B, modified at MMB. Now I want my tertiary datum to be datum C, modified at MMB. Now let's say, for example, we want to refine the perpendicularity of that axis. So I'm going to apply a perpendicularity characteristic with a cylindrical tolerance zone of 0.05 at MMC, perpendicular to primary datum A. I'll OK out of this, and the feature control frame is added. So very easy, very user-friendly to add feature control frames. Now let's add a datum feature symbol. We'll do that to the front view, the bottom face of the part. I'll select datum feature. I'll select the bottom edge, and then place the datum feature symbol A. So that gives you an idea of just how easy it is to add notes and all of the different options you have.